If your team is still copying the data between PDFs, portals, and spreadsheets, that's not a people problem. It's an automation gap and it's fixable in just few weeks. Hi, I'm Shivali. I build UiPaths that run in production. Your invoices are extracted and posted automatically. If your team is moving the data between SAP, Salesforce, etc., a single board can do it on a schedule. Every board that I build run on a UiPath framework, so if a transaction fails, it logs it, retries it and keeps the process running rather than taking whole system down. You will also get a process design document so your automation is easy to maintain and understand. If you also think your process that taking hours every week, send me the details and I'll let you know whether it's a good fit for the automation before discussing the designing it.